Our customers tell us that the biggest advantage of Rails to them is the ability to develop their applications 2 to 5 times faster than they could in their traditional Java development environments. And because of the structured nature of Ruby on Rails, those applications can be reliably scaled to very large sizes, as sites like Twitter and YellowPages.com have shown.
So once you've got your application actually built, then it's a question of how do I scale this so that lots of users can come see it at the same time? How do I keep it 100% available? And how do I make sure that it's always high performance so that I can ensure really fast page loads for all my users? And it's a question of what's the right application architecture, what's the right data storage strategy, what's the right monitoring strategy, and how do I implement all those things at scale? And most companies just don't want to deal with that because they're in the business of getting applications to market quickly and monetizing that quickly.
EngineYard allows you to take your existing Ruby on Rails application and deploy it to the cloud in just a few minutes on top of a fully secure and scalable stack that can serve as much traffic as you can bring to your website. One of the most exciting things I think that we've built at EngineYard is a very, very deep well of Rails talent. We have hundreds of man-years of experience deploying and scaling Rails applications, and that expertise is directly available to our customers.
Well, I think it's a testament to both the productivity of Rails and the momentum behind cloud computing that we already have over 600 customers running on the EngineYard platform. And that includes some of the largest consumer and travel sites on the web. But we can help customers of all types get Rails deployed in the cloud at any size. So the new thing on the market is cloud computing infrastructure. And what cloud computing infrastructure allows you to do is get hardware resources really, really quickly, right? You can spin up a whole bunch of virtual machines, you can get a whole bunch of storage, you can get a whole bunch of object storage. But then the question is, what do you do with all that sort of stuff? You start with just bare hardware resources. How do you get to what you really want, which is fast feature delivery, high availability, high scaling, and great performance. And that's where EngineYard steps in and says, we can take those cloud resources and turn it from a cloud computing infrastructure into a real Rails application cloud. Because the thing is that Rails is proven and the cloud is proven. You put them two together, you get EngineYard Cloud.
Solo is our entry-level product. It allows you to get a public instance of your Rails application up and running in just a few minutes' time, but does provide some production quality features like backups and snapshotting of file systems and such, so that you can take potentially a development instance of your application and go directly into production with it. This new release is a seamless upgrade that provides full redundancy and scalability and very high performance even at large user bases. Well, the most exciting thing going on right now is the work that we're doing on Rails 3. We have 2 full-time developers helping that project, and we've always loved Rails, and we're super excited to bring our development expertise to make Rails 3 an even more scalable and higher performance system than it is today. And we're super excited about the concept of clouds and multiple cloud vendors entering the market. And we want specifically for our customers to be able to transition their applications from one vendor to another to use the cloud vendor that best fits their needs in the future.